Hi everyone, my name is Sandra Faustina, and I'm here to share about my entrepreneur journey here in Singapore. And this is also where my business is based, and I have several e commerce businesses as well as a physical shop house space. So, since we're going to talk about a day in the life of my entrepreneur life, a lot of what I do put a lot of my heart and soul in it. So, yeah, I'm very, very pregnant now, but hopefully, this will also inspire you to start regardless of where you are in life. So, I usually start my day with my makeup because this is my form and my routine for empowerment. So, everyone has different routines, and this is what makes me feel really, really good. And after I do my makeup, I spend some time writing down my thoughts, inspirations, ideas, anything that comes up to me throughout the day and in the morning. Could be when I sleep, when I woke up, or if I had a dream about something. I don't know, something that sparks or just crosses my mind. I write that down. And yeah, after that, what I do is I actually implement the ideas that I've scribbled down and planned in my day and put it in my day and calendar. Although not all of the ideas make it into action, but I usually prioritize some. I'll go through also my emails and clear all of the, usual daily activities that I need done for the day before I can actually move on. So I finish up what I must finish up. And then after that, it's my animal time. And animals makes me so much at ease. And just by making sure they're well fed, makes me feel so good and spending time with them and getting their tummies filled. That's just something that I really, really love to do. And who knows? I could start an animal related business. It could be my next, big thing. Because hey, business idea sparks from anywhere, and if you love animals and that's something that you want to do for your business, why not? Because it could be pet food, it could be an enclosure. I don't know. Here's just my terrapins eating lots of shrimps because they love shrimps, and yeah, I love them a lot. Yeah, so there's a lot of different things on this particular day that I decided to do. For today, I had planned to film some sewing videos on my other brand's YouTube channel, and that's at Free Movement Sewing. Can go check that out. Like and subscribe over there if you want to learn sewing. So what I do is I first do up my setups with my lights, and then I start to film and to teach and share about basic sewing machine setup for this particular video that anyone can learn. So yeah, that's kind of how I do it. I've got my lights, I've got my camera, and I make sure that my water is always nearby because I'm always thirsty when I'm pregnant. So this is part and parcel of it, but that's amazing. And after that, of course, it is lunchtime. So Echo came by today, and I'm so grateful that she did because it's been so long since we caught up, and we had prawn noodles, and that was amazing. And then after that, I planned and filmed my second sewing video for the day. And that was for the alteration of a costume, which will also be posted on YouTube if it's not already up. So yeah, that's kind of how I managed to actually finish 2 YouTube videos in a day with actual sewing. So that's something that I find really fulfilling as well, which is to share about what I love. So yeah, while I plan, and film and stuff like that, and I'm in my sewing space. If you can see, my dance studio is right there, and there's a class going on. So I love it when there are people here enjoying the studio spaces, because that was really my intention when I set up this whole space. So after everything, of course, I pack up the lights, I put everything back in place because it really drives me nuts when everything is just everywhere. So I make sure that I put everything back as much as I can. Everything is neat, tidy, and yeah, double check to make sure everything's great. So I'm actually done for the day, for whatever that I wanted to film and accomplish for the day. So I'm done with all of that. I'm just going to upload all of the videos onto and pass it on to my team so that they can do all of the video editing. And then yeah, after that it's just pretty much my playtime. I get to do anything I want. So this is pretty much how I usually schedule and plan my day. there are different parts of the studio that and different streams of income that I work on. So today was a lot on the sewing part, so that tomorrow I can work on my other streams. But anyway, now it's playtime after I finish uploading everything, and then we'll go on to tomorrow to continue to achieve my dreams. So until next time, if you have any questions, drop it down in the comments below. But if not, I'll see you very, very soon. Gonna work on my MacBook. Bye!